Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thanks so much for ordering your Trifold brochures with Directly Jen. This video is going to show you how to upload them to Vistaprint to get the best possible outcome for your print project. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to click on Marketing Materials, Brochures, and then we are going to click on Trifold. Unfolded size is 8.5 by 11. Just going to go ahead and pick 25. And then we're going to upload our files. So the first one they're going to want you to upload is your outside file, which is the one with your personal information on. So you're going to go ahead and click on Upload Logo or Image. And then you're going to click on your outside file, and then your inside file is for the inside. So I've already uploaded these. Oh, I haven't? Well, I did, but anyways, I guess we'll do it again. And I'm going to go ahead and upload my, oh, I guess it's just going to let me do the one. Oh, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and upload my inside right now too. So there we go. That's our outside. And then we're going to go ahead and click over here for our inside. And it's thinking. There we go. There's our inside. So when you click over to preview here, it's going to look a little wonky. So I suggest that you download the PDF proof. Sorry, my internet is not behaving very well right now, apparently. Here we go. So it looks a little, actually it looks pretty good, but just so you know, you can download the PDF proof, and I've already done that. So you can see it looks a little weird here, but that's just because of the way they've got the paper folded in that. But if you click on download, click on download PDF proof, and then click this, it will download a proof. I've already done it because it takes a few minutes. So as you can see, that is what it's going to look like. So it looks pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead and click over here and click on next and go to continue. Now, just so you know, there are 2 per page. So you're going to cut them in half. The easiest way to do it is actually, if you don't have a paper cutter like a guillotine, then take it to Staples and just go ahead and sneak in and use theirs. That's what I recommend doing. So yeah, oops. But anyways, that's what I recommend doing. So, but you do get 2 for, which is kind of nice. This is really close to the size that the old trifolds that we used to get from corporate were, but now they don't have those. So that's why we've got these. You can do standard or premium, and then probably matte, and then you can do recycled as well. I'm not sure what the difference in price. It's quite a bit extra to do recycled, so totally up to you. Add them to your cart. No, we're just going to go continue. We don't need your extra stuff. Thank you so much. Again, no, we don't need your extra stuff. And here we are. It's in our cart. I already actually was messing around, so that's why I've got it in here a couple times. So clearly we don't want 250. But anyways, then you're going to go, if you don't have it already, I recommend getting Rakuten. I've sent you a link in the email as well. If you don't have it already, you get cash back online and in stores too, if you want to set it up that way. Vistaprint, the minimum is 3%. I got 10% the other day, so that was really cool. They do have these coupons here. However, right now this 40% off site-wide is amazing. So if you change the code, there's no way to get this back. I found that out the hard way the other day, so FYI on that. You get $30 for signing up and using using Rakuten, and I get $30 too. So just FYI, being upfront about that, but it's a really great deal, so that's why I recommend it. So if you have any questions on your uploads or need some help, don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll be happy to help you troubleshoot anything. And again, thanks for ordering with Directly Jen.